Before I begin the video, I will remind you to please click like if you like my content, and subscribe to our channel, tell a friend, and more importantly, go to our website and send us your email address to become a VIP, that we can send you announcements and VIP benefits that we'll think of as we go along. So thank you very much, and let's go on. Hey, I'm miltonchang of Bonsaiheirloom. I'd like to talk about lifestyle bonsai. And what does it mean by lifestyle bonsai that Bonsaiheirloom is trying to advocate? Bonsai have to fit into our lifestyle. I think of bonsai, it's a little bit like meditation. When you pay attention, focus, tending to your tree, it's really like meditation. It slows down your heart rate, your breathing, and it's really good for your mental health. And so I think bonsai really offers the same advantage as a meditation, although we don't think of it, and we don't think of practice meditation, but bonsai is an easy way to get into it. So why do we want to promote bonsai? Because I think bonsai is an excellent hobby. The most obvious one is about the relaxing aspect of it. You know, we have a very, very hectic life from work and from managing family affairs. We need relaxation. And so that's where bonsai fits in. And then the other thing that we don't think of quite as much is that they are a wonderful gift. They are very personalized, and it will never sit in a drawer. It's always in front of the person to remind them of the giver. But from a personal standpoint, one additional benefit of bonsai, it's a wonderful tool to bond with a friend or with your children, and to teach them your value system at the same time, about establishing a long-term vision, take responsibility, and work towards a goal tenaciously. So I think there's a lot of reason for us to promote bonsai, to make it a lifestyle bonsai, meaning it will fit into the American busy lifestyle. So the question is, how do we do it? What does Bonsaiheirloom bring to the party? Well, first of all, we make bonsai, taking care of bonsai easy. There's so many rules. I don't want to deal with the rules. It's just a hobby. So we basically throw away all of that by a couple of things. One is that we make a bonsai easy to maintain. We implement it properly with the right soil mix, right root pruning method to reduce the need for changing pots. And then we make it much easier to keep the bonsai hydrated. By that, I mean the following. Bonsai is in a very shallow pot traditionally, and it's got big drainage hole in the bottom. So what happens is that you water every day, the soil is nice and supple, and it absorbs water nicely. But one hot afternoon, the soil dries out, or if you forgot to water one day, it dries out. The root ball is hardened, it shrinks. When you water, water runs out of the side, it doesn't get water. And so the tree dries out and it dies on you. So what we did is that we inverted a soaking pot into the bonsai pot so that it retains water for a couple hours to allow the water to be absorbed by the soil. And as it evaporates, fresh air goes in to replenish the vacancies so that the root stays healthy. Please do consider bonsai and make it part of your daily routine. You will enjoy it. You will have something to show for it a few years down the road by establishing a vision and working towards the ideal tree that you have. Please stay tuned for our next video. Thank you very much. Well, thank you very much for watching today's video. Subscribe to our channel and tell a friend. And most importantly, go to our website and sign up to become our VIP so that we can send you announcements of special considerations. Thank you very much. See you next week.